Hi everybody, in this video tutorial we will show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on the Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV smartphone. So as we all know, unfortunately you cannot get the Fortnite directly from the Play Store. So in order for you to be still able to play the game, just choose any search engine that you'd like. I'll go with Google. At the search bar type in Fortnite APK, just like so. Among the search results, you want to head straight for the official Epic Games website. Once the web page gets loaded, just tap on this black "Get it on the Epic Games app" button and download the file. Now let's go ahead and open it, but prior to actually installing the Epic Games launcher, it is required that we allow Chrome to install apps from unknown sources. So let's go ahead and turn this toggle on and confirm the Epic Games launcher installation. Now we can just open the Epic Games launcher itself, after which you want to tap on this black "Get" button located in front of a Fortnite game and then install it. Alright, so once the Fortnite game gets actually downloaded, you cannot install it because we need Epic Games Launcher to also be able to install apps, therefore allow to install apps from this source, as we did with the Google Chrome. So let's go ahead and turn on this toggle once again, this time for the Epic Games Launcher, and confirm the Fortnite installation. Alright, once the app gets installed, you can just go ahead and open it, and in here all that you gotta do prior to playing the game is to wait until the Fortnite will download all its necessary updates and required resources. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.